Want to speak real Turkish from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at turkishclass101.com.
Hello everyone, I'm Selin from turkishclass101.com. Today we're going to talk about 5 most popular sports in Turkey. Yağlı güreş. Yağlı güreş. Oil wrestling. Yağlı güreş. Yağlı güreş. Oil wrestling. Her sene Edirne'de geleneksel yağlı güreş turnuvası düzenlenir. Her sene Edirne'de geleneksel yağlı güreş turnuvası düzenlenir. Every year in Edirne, traditional oil wrestling tournament takes place. Oil wrestling is like the national sports in Turkey. In Edirne, we call this festival Kırkpınar Güneşleri. Kırkpınar Güreşleri, which is like Kırkpınar oil wrestling. And we call it oil wrestling because the wrestlers cover themselves with olive oil. And this is a very, very long tradition. I think they started Kırkpınar wrestling in 14th century. So very long time. And Turkish people likes wrestling since then. Wrestler is called pehlivan in Turkish. Pehlivan is the person who is doing the sport. Let me give you one example of the famous Turkish wrestler, Hamza Yerlikaya. If you want to check his life, you can check. He is one of the most famous wrestlers in Turkey. Halter. Halter. Weightlifting. Halter. Halter. Weightlifting. Türkiye halterde başarılıdır. Türkiye halterde başarılıdır. Turkey is successful in weightlifting. Yes, we have many famous people who are very successful in weightlifting. Let me give you some examples. Halil Mutlu, Naim Süleymanoğlu. These are men, but we also have women. Nurcan Taylan or Sibel Özkan. They're also famous in weightlifting. Basketball. 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 Türkiye milli basketbol takımının lakabı 12 dev adamdır. Türkiye milli basketbol takımının lakabı 12 dev adamdır. The nickname for the national basketball team of Turkey is 12 Giant Men. It's super famous, and do you know they have a song? And the song is made by Athena, a famous Turkish rock band. It's like dev adam, 12 dev adam, like that. It's like national song in Turkey now. But not just for the men, actually for Turkey national women basketball team, they also have a nickname. And they are called Potanın Perileri. Potanın Perileri, which means fairies of the basket. Yüzme. Yüzme. Swimming. Yüzme. Yüzme. Swimming. Sırt üstü yüzme yarışması başlamak üzere. Sırt üstü yüzme yarışması başlamak üzere. The backstroke swimming competition is about to start. Recently, we have a very young swimmer and he broke the world record. His name is Hüseyin Emre Şakçı. You can check his name. Thank you, Emre, for breaking the world record. Football. Football. Soccer. Football. Football. Soccer. Futbol, Türkiye'de en sevilen spordur. Futbol, Türkiye'de en sevilen spordur. Soccer is the most popular sport in Turkey. That's true, yes. And belonging to a team, supporting your team, it's like super important. And they are so big fans. I mean, they're living for their team. So yeah, I can totally agree with this sentence. We have 4 big teams in Turkey. Of course, other teams are also very important, but maybe I can say 4 best known. football teams, and they are Fenerbahçe, Galatasaray, Beşiktaş, and Trabzonspor. That's it! For today, we finished 5 most popular sports in Turkey. Tell me which one is your favorite, or which one would you like to watch, or did you watch any of our national team while they're playing? I think my favorite probably oil wrestling because it's our national sports. And tell me your favorite. So please subscribe our channel. Don't forget to comment down below. And also, if you want to learn Turkish more, please visit our homepage website, turkishclass101.com. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye bye!